Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present BST307 Building Maintenance 2. So let's get started. So our agenda is building information, maintenance organization, maintenance policy, maintenance procedure, maintenance practice, maintenance budget and budget utilization, and for the last one is conclusion and recommendation. So our video background is MSC Medical Center. MSCMC is a private hospital in Shah Alam, next to MSU. It has operated since 2018 and provide 24-hour service to the public and students. Because it wins all the time, good building management and regular maintenance are important. The hospital has 14 floors and about 250 inpatient beds. So this is our building information, our care plan, location plan, and site plans. Next is selected building service. For the first one is electrical system. The electrical system supplies power for lighting, medical equipment, and hospitals operation. MSCMC has backup generator and ups to ensure continuous power. Regular maintenance is important to avoid power failures and ensure safety. Next is plumbing system. The plumbing system provides clean water and remove wastewater for daily hospital use. It also supports medical gas such as oxygen, regular maintenance, help prevent leaks, contamination, and safety risk. And for the last one is mechanical ventilation system. The HVAC system controls temperature, humidity, and air quality to keep the hospital comfortable and safe. Critical area have separate system. Regular maintenance is needed to support patient comfort and infection control. Next is maintenance organization. The organization chart shows a clear structure for healthcare engineering service at MSU Medical Center. The hospital is led by top management, followed by the head of department who manage technical work. The department is divided into FEMS, which handle building and facility maintenance, and BEMS, who focus on biomedical service. The simple structure helps ensure smooth and efficient hospital operation. And for the maintenance policy, for the mission to provide safe, reliable, and continuous facility service that support hospital operation through effective maintenance of mechanical, electrical, and biomedical system while minimizing disruption to clinical service. For our vision to become an excellent healthcare maintenance organization through innovation, regulatory compliance, modern technology, and continuous improvement in maintenance practice.
Thank you, Dawish, for giving me the chance to speak and present. And right now I'm going to present the maintenance procedure, which consists of maintenance strategy. So what we have for maintenance strategy MSU Medical Center. First of all, I'm going to present the maintenance organization structure, which is first, Facility Engineering Maintenance Services, FEMS, and the second, Biomedical Engineering Maintenance Services, BEMS. And what do we have on engineering maintenance service? First of all, it's a building structure, mechanical systems like HVAC and lift. Third, plumbing and fire systems, and the fourth, electrical systems. Meanwhile, for the biomedical, we have medical equipment, clinical devices, calibration, safety and testing, compliance, all with the Medical Device Act 2012. Throughout all of this maintenance, we do have actually two types of maintenance that MSU, SMU, MSUMC has, which is a preventive maintenance, schedule servicing, OEM-based maintenance, mandatory compliance work, and most of them is like 25 out of specialists. And their KPI is 98% compliance, which means that they has to be in compliance like 98% throughout their building. And about the corrective maintenance, they are fully based repairs. They If it's breakdowns, they have to respond immediately. They also have a emergency maintenance plan, and for the outsource for corrective maintenance, they have 60% of the contractors ready for that. And it's basically priority based execution as well. And then as you also can see here, we have a workflow, which is our also procedure. They are using CMMS for the maintenance system. So take a look at this. First, we are going to submit the maintenance request. Second, generate a work order. Third, form the maintenance task and then update back in the CMMS. We have to verify and close the work order, and then we go for these three target and objective for that time. First response, track the time to response, like how long they're going to take to respond to the problem. For example, this one particular icon's like broken, and it's maybe takes them a day, maybe takes them a week to complete it. What it matters the most, and 98% of, yeah, they have to comply and complete the work as well. And also, and lastly but not least, we going to track them for the order completions in percentage. Okay, so let's gonna take another page. So for example, we're going to have a method of practice schedule over here. Uh, we do have electrical systems, mechanical, vertical transportations, fire protecting systems, water supply, medical gases, medical support systems, and security and communication system. All of this, we all have the schedule in order to be fixed. It's basically necessary to have all of this schedule so we know that when it needs to be done for the contractor to do their work. And I think that's all from me. So from this part, I believe I'm going to give it away to Isaac to present more.
Alright, thank you, Tofik, for the presentation. And right now, let's look at maintenance budget and budget utilization. Look at this cash flow. In 2025, MSU earned 50.6 million ringgit, mainly from hospital operations and some rental income. Expenses for services like HVAC, medical gas, electricity, IT, and projects total about 2 million ringgit. This left a net profit of 48.48 million ringgit. Income is expected to grow 5% each year, reaching 58 million ringgit by 2028. With expenses rising slightly, net profit is forecasted to increase steadily, reaching 56 million ringgit by 2028, showing that the hospital's finances are strong and growing. Next, forecasting for 2026. In 2026, MSU-MC is expected to earn 53 million ringgit, mainly from rentals and hospital services. Operating costs will be about 2,000 and 2,000 million ringgit for services, staff, and maintenance. After expenses, the net profit is expected to be 50.81 million ringgit, showing the hospital is financially strong and manage its costs well. Next, forecast, forecasting budget for 2027. MSU-MC is expected to earn 55 million ringgit, mostly from rentals and hospital service. Costs are estimated at 2 million ringgit for services, staff, and maintenance. After expenses, the net profit is expected to be 53 million ringgit, showing the hospital stays profit profitable while managing rising costs. Now, forecasting budget for 2028. MSUMC is expected to earn 58.58 million ringgit, 5% more than 2027. Most income comes from rentals and hospital services. Costs are estimated at 2 million ringgit for services, staff, and maintenance. After expenses, the net profit is expected to be 56 million ringgit, showing the hospital is financially strong and can stay sustainable. Now, let's look at the analysis of financial and maintenance budget. From two, from 2025 to 2028, MSU Medical Center's income is expected to grow steadily from 50.6 million ringgit to 58.58 million ringgit, while costs will slowly rise from 2.03 million ringgit to 2.55 million ringgit. Proper budgeting is needed to keep the hospital running well and maintain a good services. Move on to the findings and discussion. MSUMC has good maintenance system that keeps the hospital safe and running all day. Important systems like electricity, air conditioning, plumbing, and medical equipment are checked regularly to prevent problems. Small issues exist, but are not dangerous. The maintenance team is trained and works very well. The system could get better with more checks and long-term planning. Finally, conclusion and recommendation. MSUMC has a well-organized maintenance system that keeps the hospital safe and running smoothly. Preventive maintenance helps prevent problems and extend the life of equipment. The hospital can improve by using data to predict equipment failure, training staff regularly, and checking high-use areas more often. These steps will make maintenance better, reduce costs, and keep the hospital running well long term. And that's all from us. Thank you very much.